This is Hogan, owned by TJ Meyer. First, TJ, we can do some dead birds, just so you can see a gunshot in there, just on a dead bird retrieve. So when we finish up here, everything's shotgun now. There's no blanket work anymore. Did 2 shots in this one, so you can see on the second shot he doesn't change his chase. Looks like he's got a nice retrieve to him, TJ. We're going to go to a clipper, meaning the bird now can run on him. And what I'm looking at too is you see he's really kind of watching what's going on. There we go. We kind of move over here. I'll go flyers. Brian will dizzy it up. You can actually see a little point coming out of him here. So what you're seeing here, TJ's visual point. There we go. So he's going to point pretty quick in the field and cover.
Yeah, he's starting to point.
Yeah, I saw that. So this would be the last flyer, TJ, that he's going to see thrown down. Anything from now on for the rest of his life will be out of cover. See how he's kind of watching Brian. There we go. There you go. So that's Hogan, owned by TJ Meyer in Rapid City, South Dakota.